In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram feed to your Webflow website. Unfortunately, since Webflow doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then underneath social right here, you will see Instagram feed as option number 3. Click on that, and that will take you to the Instagram feed widgets page. From here, I want you to click on this create widget for free button, and that will take you to the Instagram feed template section. So on the left hand side here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different Instagram feed templates that you can choose from. And on the right hand side, you get a little preview of what each of these templates would look like if you were to install them on your Webflow website. Now in the top right corner of the screen here, you can also click on mobile view, so you can see what each of these templates will look like on a mobile device. Now bear in mind that the design that you see for each of the templates is not final. We can actually customize pretty much anything that you see on the screen right here, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. But for now, simply go for the template that you like the most, and then let's move on to the next step. So click on continue this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here, and that will take you to this page, which is where we can start customizing the Instagram feed template to our liking. But before we do that, we first need to add the source. That way the widget is going to know which feed from Instagram to pull information from. Now you have two different options here that you can choose from. You can either go for account or you can go for a hashtag. Now if you choose account, you can either type the username or the URL of the Instagram account, or if you go for hashtag, you can enter the Instagram hashtag right here. In my case, I'm going to go for account, and I'm going to type in Nike just like that. That's all it takes, and then click on search, and then give the widget a couple of seconds to pull the Nike, in this case, feed, and it will be displayed right here on the right hand side. Now bear in mind that if you also have access to the Instagram account, Elfsight actually recommended to connect it to the widget itself. Apparently the performance will be better. I haven't actually tested this, but I think the widget works excellent even if you don't connect it to begin with. Now it says no post found by a specified source, so let me just go back and see if I've done something wrong here. Okay, here it is. I haven't actually done anything wrong. I'm not sure why I didn't pull it the first time. But yeah, as you can see, this is what the Instagram feed looks like. These are the most recent posts. Once you see the Instagram feed of the account that you want to pull information from, simply click on done right here in the top right corner. If you take a look at the bottom here, you also see filters and sorting. These are two different options that you can take advantage of to further customize and decide what post you want your widget to pull in first from the Nike, in this case, Instagram account. So in terms of sorting, if I just click on this, I can source list position just like this, or you can also do it by publication date in that case. You can also set some filters right here if you wanted to. So just click on that filter to set a filter of your liking. Then the total number of posts to display, in this case, it's I think 10. Yep, but you can also do 15, 20, or 3, whatever you like. Then once you've done that, the next set of customizations you can make to your template are on the left hand side here. So you have layout, post, style, and settings. So these are the different customizations they could take advantage of. I'm not going to go through every single one because there's quite a few different ones they could make use of. But for example, here, let's just suppose that we don't want the slider layout. We want to go for a grid just like this. You can obviously click on that, and then as you can see, you can click on load more here, and then it will keep on loading and loading until you reach the bottom. I'm sure there's many posts, yeah, 1.6k posts. But yeah, I'm gonna go for the slider because I like the look of it. I don't want it to be a grid on the slider. As you can see, this is basically how it functions. You can customize the header. Like I said, you can customize pretty much anything here. You can remove the profile picture. As you can see, it will be gone. As you can see, there we go. Yeah, it is gone. I'll keep it for now. But yeah, you can get rid of pretty much anything that you don't want to see right here. But yeah, like I said, I'm not going to go for every single customization that you can take advantage of. I'll leave this up to you to explore at your own pace. But once you're ready to move forward and you're happy with the way your Instagram feed widget looks, simply click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then your widget will be saved up. And then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we can publish the widget. So as you can see in the top right corner of the screen here, I want you to click on the publish button to publish the widget, and then you will automatically be taken to the plans page. Now this is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Since this is the first widget to be creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Alternatively, if you want to unlock more functionalities, if you want to make use of more than one widget from Elfsight, or if you want to show your Instagram feed to more than 200 people, then you can obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options that you can go with. And if you choose to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, in my case, I'm going to go for the free plan right here. So I'm going to click on select. And then once you've done that, you will automatically be taken to this page right here, which is where we can copy the code for our Instagram feed widget. So click on copy code, and then let's head over to Webflow so we can start integrating it. Now I'm already in my Webflow editor, as you can see, and I want to actually add my Instagram feed to this section right here. As you can see, I've added very minimal padding just so I can see the actual section itself, because if I set it to 0, it will basically disappear. By default, I think it's set to 10 on both sides, but I feel like that would give you a little bit too much of padding and you don't really want that. In fact, I might actually get rid of the padding in general once I add the widget itself. That way it will be flush with the sections above and below it. So what you want to do here is basically go to the page and the section where you want your Instagram feed to be added to, and then click on the plus button in the top left corner of the screen right here. And what we're searching for here is code embed. As you can see, it is right here. So click on that and then simply paste the code we just copied previously from Elfsight and click on save and close. Now bear in mind that for the script to be working and showing, you first need to publish or export your site. So I'm going to click on publish in the top right corner of the screen right here. And then I'm going to publish to selected domains. Give it a couple of seconds to publish the new elements. And then what we're going to do is simply preview the website. And as you can see, here is my Instagram feed. This is what it looks like. Super nice and clean. As you can see, it's also fully interactive. Don't worry about this panel that you see right here that is appearing. This is actually only visible to you, just in case you want to make any changes to the widget itself in real time without deleting it and having to install it again. In terms of the padding that I talked about, as you can see at the top here, you have a little bit of a padding. All you have to do to remove it is go back to the editor and then basically just remove this or set it to 0, and then there'll be no padding at all. And all it's going to be in this particular section is the Instagram feed widget. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add an Instagram feed to your Webflow website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.